So here I just made a coffee, and this is how the group head looks like, and the shower screen, and around that area, that black gasket. So this is what is being left there if you don't clean. This is just a single extraction because I cleaned it before extraction, and just one extraction makes this much of mess. So let's see, I'm going to clean using that brush, and let's see how much we can achieve. So here I'm going to leave my camera here, and I'm going to start cleaning. I'm not using any detergent, just going to run some hot water, and let's see the result. So let's plug it in. Okay, and I'm going to run some water. Let me stop it here, and let's have a look at. Okay, I could see a lot of coffee grinds inside this brush. Let me show you a closer look, but meanwhile you can have a look at the shower screen, which looks clean. Let's see if I can show you this. Here there's a lot of coffee grinds at the bottom. Okay, so I'm not going to pause it, I'm just going to continue where I left. So let me plug it in again and discard this water. Okay, so without any detergent, I'm just running just hot water. Make sure you plug it in properly. That should be good. Okay, at least it's looking clean now. Now let's have a closer look here at the group head. I don't want to pause the video, I'll just show you the exact result. Looks like it did a very good job. That dirt that you see there, that was already there in my previous video. If you notice, you would see that. I did not attempt to clean that yet, but I just want to leave it as it is and see the other area. It did a good job. There were a lot of coffee grinds there, and it cleaned. And even the shower screen looks sparkling clean. I'll just run some water. Looks good. So now I'm going to show you the last method on how to make use of that brush. Now here's a soap. This is plant-based or organic, 100% organic. There is no chemical in this one. This is a very nice product. I use it to wash my dishes. Anyway, so you could use a soap like this, but I would strongly recommend to use the powder. You get the soap powder, which is meant for group head. So you could use that. That's the first thing I would recommend. But there is nothing wrong in using an organic soap. So I'm going to use this to show in this demo. So all you do is just pour it on top of this, around the side if possible. That's it, just a bit is fine. And then the same principle, you plug it in and then switch on and wiggle it around 2-3 times. Let me take out and see. Okay, so let me use some more. Seems like it is less. Like I said, it's safe to use on the group head because the water is going to flow one way only. So let's try again. Plug it in. And just wipe it. Okay, so let me dispense some water. So as you can see, there's some bubbles, so it's cleaning up. Okay, now make sure you run a few more cycles so that it will take out all the soap water. You don't want any soap on your group head. I know there's something that came out just now. Okay, so the water looks clean now. That means the soap, everything is rinsed properly. Now let's check the group head screen again. Okay, the shower screen looks sparkling clean as usual. Let's look at that coffee thing. Yeah, I still see, but it has reduced a lot. Now you have to use a brush that concentrate on that spot, but overall it looks clean. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a thorough clean of this group head using soap water and maybe Cafe also, and concentrate on those spots to take out that coffee deposits there and stains, and then I'll be ready to use this on a daily basis. So it will ensure that your group head and the shower screen is sparkling clean always. Now this is a very useful product. Many people are not aware of this. That's why I thought I will show you a review of this. Now this material, the silicone, is super soft, but it's tough enough to clean the coffee grinds, all the dirt from the group head screen. And as I've shown you, the coffee grinds like to hide around the group head screen, the shower screen. That's where you need to clean, and you need a brush that will address exactly that issue, and this brush is for you. Now, like I mentioned, it fits 57 to 59 mm group head screen, and I can confirm that this fits the E61 group head, so you could buy it for your Rocket or any similar prosumer machine. This is something that you use after brewing every time. Every time you finish brewing, use this to clean the group head and the surrounding area. This will ensure the group head screen is super clean always. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and this is a must product. If you have a coffee machine with E61 group head or any 58 mm group head, make sure you buy this. This is super useful and you must use this on a daily basis. So I hope this was useful video, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. I would really appreciate that, and that helps me.